What is pension carry forward and how do you maximise pension contributions to get the greatest saving in your tax? Hi, my name's Lee Gardner, the pensions guy, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know and everything you need to do when it comes to pension carry forward. So first of all, what is pension carry forward? It's the ability to use previous unused pension allowances to make a pension contribution. So recently I was talking to a client called James, and James has approached me because what he wants to do is make the maximum amount of pension contribution in the current tax year before the tax year runs out. So James runs his own limited company and he has excess profits and he wants to make this contribution. So let's walk through the example of James's figures and this will explain exactly what carry forward is. Right, so each of the tax years, there is an allowance available that you can pay into pensions. In the current tax year, that is 60,000. Last year, it was 60,000, and the previous two tax years, the annual allowance was £40,000. Now, James has been making pension contributions, and he's been making pension contributions of £10,000. Now, these are employer contributions. So his employer is making these contributions because the employer has, and James is his business and he has enough profits to do this. So in the current tax year, he's made £10,000 contribution. He could have paid in 60, so he has 50k unused. The same in the previous year, and in the 2 years previous to that, it's 30,000. So he could have made a total pension contribution of 200,000. He's made a contribution of £40,000, so he has unused allowance of £160,000. So assuming that James's company has enough profits to make this contribution, that is the maximum contribution that James can make before the end of this tax year into his pension. So not only does that prove a huge boost to his future retirement savings, there's also going to be some tax savings as well. And James is at the top level of corporation tax. He's paying corporation tax at 25%. So the pension contribution of 160,000 will attract corporation tax relief of £40,000. So the impact of James making this pension contribution will not only boost his future savings, but he'll save £40,000 in corporation tax. That's the power of using carry forward. So I hope you found that useful. Please give me a like, give me a follow.